Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss the chapter trigonometric identities. Trigonometrical identities. Now just I am going to continue solving the problems. Question number 4. Without using tables, we need to evaluate sine 35 degree cos 55 degree plus cos 35 degree sine 55 degree divided by cosecant square 10 degree minus tan square 80 degree. Remember, when you have product of two terms and in between if you have plus, you have to form the given expression in the form of sin square a plus cos square a, so that the value you will get here it is 1. So let it be here sin 35 degree, sin 35 degree, and cos, just I am going to change it as 90 degree minus 35 degree, because it is a complementary angle. 35 plus 55 we are going to get 90 plus, and here we need cos 35 degree, and next thus I am going to convert in terms of cos, right? So sin 90 degree minus 35 degree. If you add 10 plus 80 we are going to get 90, and here also just let it be here cosecant square 10 degree minus, and this tan square 80 degree I am going to make it as tan square 90 minus 10 degree sin 35 degree. So cos 90 minus a, the value it will be sin a. You will get a sin 35 degree plus cos 35 degree sin 90 minus a is cos a. So we will get here cos 35 degree divided by cosecant square 10 degree minus tan 90 minus a, the value it will be cot a. So we will get a cot square 10 degree is equal to sin a into sin a, we will get sin square 35 degree plus cos into cos, we will get cos square 35 degree, cosecant square 10 degree minus cot square 10 degree, the value is 1, because cosecant square a minus cot square a, the value is 1. So here we will get 1, as well as here sin square a plus cos square a, the value it will be 1. So here we will get 1 divided by 1, the value is 1. Next we will move to the next one. Question number 5. Without using the table, without using tables, we need to prove that the first sub question 2 tan 53 degree divided by cot 37 degree minus cot 80 degree divided by tan 10 degree is equal to 1. Okay, now here 53 and 37, the sum of these two values is 90. So 2 into, first I am going to change the first term, tan 53 degree, I can write it as tan 90 degree minus 37 degree divided by cot 37 degree minus, here cot 90 degree minus, here 10 plus 80 is 90, so we will get 90 minus 10 divided by tan 10. You have to change any one, either it should be numerator or denominator. You have to change, not both. So 2 into tan 90 minus a. Tan 90 minus a value is cot a, as well as cot 90 minus a value is tan a. So we'll get a cot 37 degree divided by cot 37 degree minus cot 90 minus a will get a tan a. So tan 10 degree divided by tan 10 degree. So tan cot it will get cancelled, tan it will get cancelled. So you will get 2 into 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, the value is 1. So we have taken the LHS part and we have showed the RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay, now we'll move to the second sub question. Second one, sine square 20 plus sine square 70 degree minus 1 is equal to 0. LHS sine square 20 degree plus sine square 70 degree minus 1. Okay, sine square 20 degree, let it be. The second term I am going to change it as, the second term just I am going to change it as sine square 90 minus 20 is 70 degree minus 1, because it is complementary angles. 20 plus 70 is 90 degree, is equal to sine 20 degree plus sine square 20 degree plus sine square 90 minus 20 degree is cos square 20 degree minus 1. So here sine square a plus cos square a, the value is 1. So we'll get here 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, the value is 0. It is RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay, now we'll move to the next one. Question number 6. Without using trigonometrical tables, we need to evaluate the given expression. Sine square 34 degree plus sine square 56 degree plus 2 tan 18 degree tan 72 degree minus cot square 30 degree. We have to find the value of this. Solution given: sine square 34 degree plus sine square 56 degree plus 2 into tan 18 degree tan 72 degree minus cot square 30 degree. Here we need to take the complementary angles 34 degree and 56 degree. Both if you add, you will get 90. One you have to change, the other value you are not supposed to change. So I am going to change the second one. Sine square 90 minus 34 degree is 56 degree plus 2 into, here also 18 72, it is 90 degree. So 2 tan 18 degree into tan 90 minus 18 degree minus, here we know cot 30 degree value is root 3. So we can write root 3 whole square. Sine square 34 degree, sine 90 degree minus 34, the value is cos square 34 degree plus 2 into tan 18 degree. Tan 90 minus 18 degree is cot 18 degree. Square and square root, it will get cancelled. So the leftover is a minus 3. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So we can write here sin square 34 plus cos square 34 degree is 1 plus 2 into tan 18. Cot reciprocal is 1 by tan. So you will get 1 by tan 18 degree minus 3. Tan 18 it will get cancelled. So you left with 1 plus 2 minus 3. 1 plus 3 it is 1 plus 2 it is 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 the value is 0. So for this question 0 is the answer. Okay, next to the question number 7. Without using tables, we need to find the value of x. Find the value of x if cos 40 degree plus x is equal to sin 30 degree. We have here cos 40 degree plus x is equal to sin 30 degree. Okay, in between the terms, when you have equal to sign, just if the ratios are equal, then you can equate the degree. Here let it be cos, and here I am going to take a sin 90 degree minus 60 degree. The value is sin 30 degree you will get, and here we have cos 40 degree plus x. Sin 90 degree minus a is equal to cos a. A you need to take it as 60 degree here. So you will get cos 40 degree plus x is equal to sin 90 minus 60 is cos 60 degree. Now here the ratios are equal. When the ratios are equal, just you can equate the angles. So you will get a 40 degree plus x is equal to 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree. When you shift this plus 40 to the opposite side, it will be minus 40. We got x is equal to 20 degree. The value of x is 20. Okay, now we'll move to the next one. Question number 8. Prove the following. Okay, the first one, 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1. We have to prove. I am going to take the LHS part. LHS is equal to 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to RHS. So here let it be this value 1 plus tan square. This it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So I can write 1 square minus sin square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, the value is secant square theta. 1 minus sin square theta value is cos square theta. So just I am going to substitute here secant square theta into 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. The reciprocal of cos theta is secant square theta. So here secant square theta is equal to 1 divided by cos square theta. So based on this identity, just I am going to replace it. 1 divided by cos square theta is equal to secant square theta into we have here cos square theta. Now the cos square theta it will get cancelled. We left with 1. So 1 it is nothing but RHS. Hence proved. Okay, now we'll move to the second sub question. The second one, secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. Solution. LHS we have secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta 1 minus sin theta, let it be, just I am going to take this reciprocal. So secant theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Just I am going to replace here 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Secant theta into 1 minus sin theta, and here the denominators are same, cos theta, only once I am going to write here cos theta, and here you have 1 plus sin theta. Secant theta 1 minus sin theta into we have 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So everything it is in multiplication, so I can write secant theta divided by cos theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Secant theta is the right. Secant theta I can write here 1 divided by cos theta, and in the denominator already we have 1 divided by cos theta into this, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. The identity is a square minus b square. So I can write 1 square minus sin square theta. So here the terms it is not getting cancelled. So 1 into 1 is 1 divided by cos theta into cos theta will get cos square theta, and 1 minus sin square, 1 square value is 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So here instead of 1 minus sin square theta I can replace it as cos square theta. Here cos square theta it will get cancelled. Okay, now we left with 1. So 1 it is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Okay, now we'll move to the next one. The third sub question. 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. The solution. I am going to take the LHS part is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1. 1 minus tan square theta, let it be. The denominator I am going to take the reciprocal of cot square theta is tan square theta. So cot square theta is equal to 1 divided by tan square theta. So 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1. I am going to simplify only the denominator. Let it be the numerator 1 minus tan square theta divided by. Now here if there is no denominator you can consider it as 1. To take the denominator same, just I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator by tan square theta divided by tan square theta. So here now the denominator it has become equal. So I can write 1 minus tan square theta divided by tan square theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta, it is in the numerator. Now this denominator just I am going to make it as a reciprocal, because this division I am going to convert into the multiplication, so that you have to take the denominator as a reciprocal. So we'll get here, so 1 minus tan square theta divided by tan square theta, we'll get the reciprocal is tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So this is in the denominator and here it is in the numerator. So both the terms it will get cancelled. 1 minus tan square theta, both the terms it will get cancelled. 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta will get cancelled. So we left with tan square theta. So it is nothing but RHS. So we have taken the LHS and we have proved the RHS value. Hence it is proved.